been several days since I've introduced a queen. I thought I had lost this one, but I do see some activity in and out, so hopefully that is a good sign. There are some bees coming in and out. That is a good thing, but it's one of those things that we can't touch for 21 days. Well, 14 really. I can open up in 14 days to see. So hopefully this is a good sign that she is okay and everything in there is going all right. So we'll see. Maybe everything's going well. I don't know. Unfortunately, it's one of those wait and see kind of things. Wait and see. Okay, let's come over here. This was the mother hive to that one. So let's see what's over here going on. Oh yeah, she's a healthy hive. They're happy. And this hive, holy cats, I thought I had lost this hive. I don't think I've lost this hive, but I thought I had, but yeah, no. I think this hive is gonna survive, maybe. Maybe. This hive, this is the mother hive to the orange box. I'm just hoping that I got to it in time and we broke it off before they swarm, because I really don't want to have to deal with a swarm. But unfortunately, it is the season for a swarm, but they all seem to be very happy and healthy. I gotta get some more water. Even though it has rained some, it's still so dry. Y'all, please pray for rain. We need more and more and more. I want to set up an external feeder for these ladies. And yes, all of these bees you see are ladies. None of these bees are male. They're all female. So I'm going to set up an external feeder for the 2 nukes that I have created. The 2 mother hives, I've got internal feeders too, so I can take those apart and do internal feeding with those. But these 2 nukes that I've just set up, I don't want to disturb them, so I'm going to rush order some external feeders for them. And I guess I need to go ahead and treat the ground for beetles. Lots of times what will happen is the beetles will burrow into the ground and lay their eggs, and then when they hatch they will come up and try and invade the hive. Pesky little boogers. So I'm going to go ahead, I think, and treat the ground and order some external feeders for the 2 new splits. And so we just observe and see. Hurry up and wait.